In this video, I will show how to remove someone from a group in a Snapchat. First of all, open your Snapchat, then go to the group from which you want to remove someone. Tap on the group's icon. Open the full list of the group members. Now find the person that you want to remove from the group. Tap on the name of that person and hold it. Now click on More. As Snapchat doesn't provide option to remove someone from a group in Snapchat. So for this, you have to block the person by clicking on Block, and the person will not be able to interact with the group. There is one more method to remove the person from a group, and that is if everyone agrees that one single person is causing issues. Then just make a new group without that toxic user. Now, when everyone has moved to a new group in a Snapchat, then you can block or leave the old group. That's pretty much how you can remove someone from a group in Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. I would appreciate if you like this video. See you next time.